Karibu rĩngĩ mũthikĩrĩria wakwa gũkũrĩ ũthayũ rũkũrĩ niĩ ndĩ thayũ na andũ arĩa tũkoretwo tũkĩthikĩrĩria mũno ũhoro ũyũ wĩgiĩ ũthamaki wa thayũ. Of course nĩ mũndũ gwĩtwo brother Manasseh. He ũndũ erĩga gũkauga kwa mũndũ gwĩtwo Muhia wa Maingi ũrĩa ndĩrenda tũrore. So reke tũthake a small snippet courtesy of Muhia wa Maingi Studios na Manasseh himself, and just for just for learning purposes, to expand on something erega ukauga tutinoka kumena kana kwendithiriria. We just want to expand on something brother Manasseh ugite kwa Muhia. So tegute mahinda, let me play a small snippet then tuthina mbere na korora uhoro uyu waragiririo ni Muhia mena King Manasseh.
And I want to explain Muthamaki niki. In a moment, please nakoro no to heda ikio tokoro twarikia na hidaririe gicuthini giake. Muthamaki Muhia, we do not fight against flesh and blood. Muthamaki ring ni ciugo igire. Na mugikuyu ari muge muno. Muthamaki ring ni ugihota kunyita kiugo muthamaki ukirutanie ri ni ukugia na ciugo igire. Wa mbere ni muthama ki
muthamaki
ithe ndiguaga kiraki ni kuga be totally still undu ucio niguo maine koguo uyu ni muthama ki na baigire kiugo kingi ungikora hau ri.
Yeah, so for now did I just that small bit. So muthamaki Manasseh arauga unge kiugo kiu urutanie uratigwo na muthama na ki ni toy ona ni tweragwo kiraki. Ki emanishaga na githungu stillness, that stillness, kiraki kideria ki, that stillness na muthama ni mundu ra move, ni mundu ra move from, for example taru turari uhoro uthamaki ri, reke tuhuthire example no uthamaki tuge muthama ni mundu rauma from uthamaki uyu wa nduma aigire uthamaki wotheri, from uthamaki A to B ni muthama. Guthama it shows movement, hena guthama kwa from this to that. So tuna muthama na ki. This was something insightful because tarora haha mundu uyu ni arathama ni muthama no at the same time ki akirete ki akidiretie ki still mundu still there is this stillness. Netha mundu uyu anyithania stillness ino na guthama ri agatuika muthamaki. Na rikano na kirekano ni kiugaga atiriri be still and know that I am God. Na rekio ndenda turore what is this stillness. Guthama ni tui ni handu twariganirwo ni phenomenon ino ya ki muthama ki this stillness area kirekano no ginya kirauga be still and know that I am God ri hau ni hakoragwo na undu na wabere stillness ni ki turore stillness ni ki gukorwo still. What is stillness? Ona reke turore just the simple definition ya stillness, meaning ya stillness erauga atiriri stillness ni riri the absence of movement or sound. You see nikio ndiratuma juge uhoro we na mystery, hena mystery flani tondu mundu utona ni muthama na muthama ni movement no mugikuha ri mugi arauga ati tuika muthama ki nora ni arakuria o embrace mystery no ya muthamaki tondu angikorwo guthama ni movement ri tathikiriria nayo stillness niki ati stillness ni riri the absence of movement or sound ukirete ki. So ki ni stillness ino ri ati ni the absence of movement or sound, yani ukirete ki no uri o muthama. Kugihoteka atia ukorwo ukirete ki no uri o muthama. That is the mystery of muthamaki. Na nikirona concept ino ya muthamaki it will take open minds ku understand. So nakirekano gigakwira atiriri, be still and know that I'm God. Ati umenya stillness, ati haria Ngai amenyagirwo ri, haria umenyagira ati Ngai ni Ngai ri, not only in the movement but in stillness. When there is now the absence of movement or sound, how niho Ngai amenyagirwo. So stillness ino irerwo ri, it must have something to do with your mind, because every movement on just the physical movement from different points yajagia in our minds, yajagia mind ini situ. Kogo gikiraririo gikero be still and know that I'm God. It is your mind, because our mind niyo tahotaga gukorwo still. Our mind niyo maanishaga movement. Our mind niyo maanishaga ginya time, the flow of time representago ni our mind. Kogo mind itore niyo rero be still and know that I'm God, because your mind niyo taga kureka ukorwo we still. Your mind, our mind no colonize eto nikyo tuto ithwe turi athamaki. Tikedo kege our minds, what has been input on our minds niyo tumete tutigimenya ati turi athamaki. Niyo tumete uthamaki uria twatugeria muno uria turuga niguo uthamaki. On hatire na kiyo, hatire na stillness. It's just chaos, movement without any stillness. So mind itore it is simple as a movement. No, there is a time when your mind egetweka still. Ugota kumenya the moment of silence within you, how niho Ngai akoragwo. Ngai no stillness ino tasejagia, no that silent area tuona ati the absence of movement or sound, that silence niyo Ngai. Nori idwe tutiwe much of the silence, idwe twamenyerire riri movement. Na nikirona movement ne easily mono idwe kuhenio nayo, because movement is easily understandable. Movement ti hodho ti dito mono ku understand tari stillness ino ya ki. No rikane Muthamaki arathondekwo ni both movement na non movement, to niyo Muthamaki. So this silence that is in our that we don't look at, toka kumiona niki, because at most we are not on the now moment. Rikana ni dakwira mind itu ni movement. Kugo ni movement ya from past to future. Okay, all the time. Onataru rege ukiuma muciĩ ukorwo rege uthiĩte wĩra-inĩ kana wabici-inĩ, at most ungirora rege hakiri ciaku itikoragwo on the present. Itikoragwo hau uri, itacikoragwo cikihura uria gukinya wĩra-inĩ, uria gubanga muthenya ucio. He handu twavoidaga muno kurora at all times the present moment. The present moment niyo stillness. Ino niyo ki ira mugikwa ruga twika Muthamaki. The present moment niyo the silence, niyo koragwo ikuite the silence that we need to understand God, the silence that we need to understand change. Hithe on the present moment. Mind itore ifudithetio go focus on maudmera. Nikiona gona tugegeria uria tugeragia guthathaura Ngai na kugeria kumu understand na meciria maitu, tuhuthagira the past, the past experiences, maundu maria kite tene, na through maundu maure tukageria go project uria afatie, uria muno agikorwa gika in future. Turoragira Ngai scope ine ya maundu maya meri, the past na the future. Uria kite in the past tukageria ru kugeria ku understand agikorwa kite in the past kuhoteka ona in the future agiko. No he handu twariganirwo the present moment. Ngai wa the present moment is the unknown God. Ngai uyo wa the present moment ni Ngai unknown. Nduri ndungihota kuuga uhoro wake. Gutire mundu ukahota gutariria Ngai ucio. Noguo niguo ithuothe twendete Ngai uria tugutaririka na njira ina cama, njira iraereweka, njira Ngai ucio cama muno. no arikoragwo scope ino ya the past na the future. No he ngai utagutire mundu ukahota gugutariria ngai uyu ni uriku, gutire mundu ukahota gukwira, gutire ciugo cikahota ku describe ngai uyu wa the present moment, because the God of the present moment ni uyu wa ki. Ngai ni muthamaki. Ngai ni hotete, ngai we ni master wa mystery no ya guthama na gukorwo uri oki. Nikio ndacenjagia no ningi nonaga no ekaga maundu matigaine no we ndaracenjia. Tondu hariwe guthama na gukorwo eki is not a problem. No ithu tutio ithu nituhithitwo about this silence, this stillness ya the present moment. Na no ndirauga it is nothing but of this present moment. Stillness, be still and know that I'm God. Because in this stillness we mwene ndurafatara kwirwo ngai nio hano, we ni ukumenya ngai no mumenye we ngai ni ukumenyera ni akugururio kuriwe in stillness. Na stillness ino ni turauga atiriri, it is only witnessed the moment tugihota gukorwo tu very present in our nows, the moment tugihota go train mind itu kwaga gukorwo ekuwetwo muno ni maundu ma gutahwo kuiyo ni maundu maya ma past na maundu ma future, na go focus muno on the now moment, on the present moment. Na nikyo wona twiragwo ati kiambiriria ri riria Adamu atarite itunda ria wega na uru, gutiari maundu meri, gutiari na division iyo ya past na future, gutiagayanukitwo ati ni kuri past na future. There was only one time hindi Adamu atarite itunda, the now, the present. Tondu itunda riria riari ni rioka kugayania gwatuika riu kurikoragwo na maundu meri, kurikoragwo na wega, kurikoragwo na uru. Haha center ino center ino gutari wega na uru niki kiu kwari nakio hindi no gutari na time yari ngayanie iyo na ira. Ati na nituragwo atiriri ati na ngai ri oka kumucerere mwe kwemwe. Ni kaundu, it is something symbolic ya gukwira now he was aikaraga haria ngai aikaraga, nikio matoranagwo na ngai na hau niha in the now moment. Nikio tukwiragwo ngai ni oka kumucerere mwe kwemwe tondu Adamu ri meciria make bado matiyetwo. Matiyetwo ni the past na matiyetwo ni the future. Aikaraga mari tu just on the present moment. Nikio mationgeranirwo na ngai tondu hau niho ngai atuire in your present moment. And it is really that we are in our present moment. Kaingi tukoragwo tukuwetwo ni maundu ma guku. Nikio hindi Jesu aonirie ruto ake me handu mekuria karuini akimonia that kamumera karia getagwo water lilies, ndiuria getagwo na gikuyu water lilies ire cikoraga haria mai-ini. Akimera ati ona Suleimani na glory yake yothe akiritwo niki ni kamumera gaka ka water lily. Ati ona Suleimani no menya Suleimani ari muthamaki ndukariganirwo, King Solomon, ati ona glory yake yothe ka water lily gaka ndagaritwo ria gikuyu ria ndikira hu down on the comment icon ni water lilies uria getagwo. Ati ona water lily ino ri ikirite King Solomon na glory yake yothe. Ago oguo niki because water lily ino dio moment igi, it lives on this present moment, the past kana future. Its whole energy ikoragwo focused on this now moment, on this present moment. Nikioga ati glory ya water lily no ikirite ya muthamaki tu Suleimani, tondu Suleimani onake no akoragwo akiyo ni the past na the future na maundu maria magi mothe makoragwo makiya makamuruta from the presence. Agona tugaga within the presence of God, because God is always present. God ne presence ino eteheraga. It is the present and only existing thing there is. Deheraga desejagia, so no we heraga nini nawe nithi tweheraga from this now moment, from this present moment tugatahuo ni maundu ngurani. Nikiona kuria mugunda-ini twiragwo ati Adamu Ngai amuririe kai wiku to ndirakuona on the present moment, you know, nie Ngai nduraga on the present moment. Kai weko Adamu nduri haha on the present, you must be elsewhere, ni utahirwo. You are not on the present moment. Adoitu nitumenye hinya wa the present moment, na tondu in the presence niho uthamaki uhithitwo, ti gukogoka, ti ati wari kuo, uthamaki ni utuire. Na ona Jesu agĩbundithia arutwo ake kuhoya, ni amerire reke otore ku gwikagwo gwikike guku, reke uthamaki waku uke guku. Ndaugire ati akiratha koguo goka miaka iriku, aca au aragio horo wa now, because this now is what never changes. I think we will dive deep on how to be more on the now moments, na uria hakiri citu ciyagwo tukaga gukoragwo tu on the present moment. And it is art gukorwo on the present moment in all of your times, ni art. Na hau niho thamaki uri, hau niho kingdom ihithitwo, in this present moment. Wedu wa Ngai ndugekika ati uri utarekika riu, urekika riu, no ithu tutiriho, our attention yothe ni divertitwo. Nikiona thaa ici no igwa turahariririo tukahanda thamaki mwega 2027. You know, all these are mechanisms cia ku make sure tutikana korwo on this present moment. But riria mass yothe igacokia consciousness yake back on the present moment, hau ni hake hada uthamaki utari woneka, because for the longest time ithu tukoretwo tutari on the present moment. Direction yothe ria tutaritwo ni either iyo kana rucio, but there is so much power in the present moment. So I think this was just something ira triggerwo ni snippet yo ya King Manasseh ya Muthamaki, and iratuma ndecirie muno horo wa guthama no wiki, guthama na bado uri still. And I think even on more episodes to come nitukugeria ku dissect horo na njira nene muno, because in the present moment, in the presence, in the present moment, in the now moment, how no real kingdom iri. In the now moment, gutire kindu gietereire, gutire kindu gitariho, everything that will happen is happening in the now. Ntukorora nituguthi tukienjagira maundu maya na njira ngurani, but I think for now let us first of all digest that. Na ona no expand more researches on your end, no munyandikira ha down on the comment, but let us be on the presence, like twajeru kweruta gucokia our consciousness, our energy on the present moment, on this present moment. Energy oyo the ginya turahe niyo tukeragwo gwoka gwakinya rina niguo gugekikona mwifage ni undu wa 2027. Ici ciothe ni mechanisms cia gutuma na niguo tuturiiro tuhenagio tutikana cokie meciria maitu just on the present moment. Turi ithuothe tukang'ung'uana, turi ithuothe turie tucoke on the present moment. Hau Ngai no akeyonania tondu kuu nikuo mucii kwa Ngai. Ngai ikaraga in this present moment. Ngai haha, God is right here right now in this present moment. Ithu ni ithu tweheretie maundu maya na mangi maingi nimo turiaragiriria na njira ngurani. Thengiu we wathikiriria nginyanagia na riu. Thayo, we shall expand more on this. Ngai wa moyo amurathime.